Alright guys, me
It's your boy.
and Cooper and Stella, if she's gonna come.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm Sully. Welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Today we are going to walk our dogs in the woods next to our lake house, because we have not explored these much. So we're gonna get right into it, and we're gonna start down the trail. Alright, Pepper and Ruby. Ruby's the small French bulldog. Oh yeah, it's a lake house, so we've got a lake.
No.
Ruby, come send it.
Come on, send it, dude. Just send it, Rubes. She's not sending it.
Or just bring her. Well, if I take Pepper, she's gonna come too, so we're good. Right. Spider web.
Spider web?
That's very annoying. All right. All right.
Wait, Sully, I have something to say.
What?
Please make sure to hit the red subscribe button.
And like
if
the
you
vid.
haven't already. Sully, there's a lot of poison ivy back.
Because if you don't, you will be cursed for the rest of your life. What, huh?
I like how you said the tray.
All right, nothing too interesting yet. We've just seen some normal stuff you would see in woods.
Sully,
So many
we're
spiders.
just the dumbest people in the world and get lost.
Yeah, not happening.
Sully, have you ever been back here?
No. These are unexplored territories based on my knowledge. Seriously, Pepper, you've just got to take a turd like right in the middle of our walk. And that's a big turd.
I think it's kind of gross that dogs don't. Oh my god. Where is it? No idea where it is.
Ah, a spider web.
Right here.
Again. Sorry, it got on my hand. That's why I'm shaking the camera.
Hey, Ruby stepped in the poo.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, good job, Ruby. That's just great.
No. Here, let me get it.
What just happened to the leash? Pepper, you messed up the leash. I blame it on you.
I'm gonna be the vlogger.
Pepper, we have to mess up the leash.
No.
Pepper, halt.
Sully, you're so lucky.
Why am I lucky?
You went under this because you were ducking.
I did? Well, good.
You see that?
Good for me. All right, let's go up. We're going up. Yes, I am. All right, we're going to duck under this limbo branch.
Or we can just step over it.
No, I'm ducking. Dogs are ducking, I'm ducking. I followed the dogs.
Maybe.
There's a spider web.
No.
Okay, I'm going over.
No.
Okay, Pepper, yeah. Let's,
175. I got Ruby.
oh, that was a tight squeeze.
I don't see why you did that.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Yeah, but it's not.
No, it's not.
But it's not.
Pepper, you just messed the leash up again. They're not. It's just natural.
No, it's not. So I'm telling you right now, this is not natural. No.
Does any of this stuff look groomed at all? Cooper, have you ever seen the like African mountains or like the wildebeest walk on?
Yeah.
That have like the littlest little like part to walk on. Yeah, that's what these are, except in a different setting. Right, Pepper? Right, Pepper, you should know about nature because you explore a lot, don't you? See, sometimes it's not very fun when you go exploring because we have to find you sometimes. Like, Pepper, I get it and all that you want to explore. Like, it's not like you run away or anything. Just when we let you off your leash, you just roam wild and then we have to catch you.
No,
like, if you're
not letting any dogs off their leash right now.
Whoa.
There's a lot of hassle on their leash.
Pepper's just like a powerhouse. She just like muscles through everything. All right, we're coming down the home stretch. And Pepper is leading the pack. Pepper beat Cooper. Oh, Pepper wins.
No, I touched the cement first.
So Pepper still won.
Wait, so wait.
Pepper, where are you going? All right, I guess that's it for our little 6-minute adventure. Ooh! Yo, Pepper versus Ruby fights. Yeah, now I have some clickbait. Well, I have some dog clickbait. You know, thumbnail.
No, you're not even filming it.
I am. Thumbnail right here.
Ruby.
All right, so yeah, that's the end of the 7 or 6 minute, or maybe even 8 minutes in the woods.
Oh, Larry, no, we can't finish it yet. The
We
batteries.
will come back with another video in a few minutes.
Guys.
So bye.